So we're talking about a skincare regime for somebody with dehydrated skin. So there's a couple of different cleansers that you could use. We have some foaming cleansers, they're just fine for dehydrated skin, but there's two that might be even better, and certainly as part of a double cleansing regime. So the first one is the anti-pollution cleansing oil. Because it's an oil, the skin feels very supple after you've cleansed with it, so that could be a really great option. And the other one is the AHA cream cleanser. This one has a milky sort of texture, especially when you add a little bit of water to it, and it's got a mild dose of alpha hydroxy acids, or the acids that help to exfoliate the surface layer of dead skin cells from the skin, which is fantastic if your skin is dehydrated, because often that skin can look a little dull. So you could cleanse with either or both of those. You could cleanse with any of our cleansers, but they are nice options for you. Then after you've cleansed in the morning, then I would recommend the bee serum. This is really great for dehydrated skin because it's got a high amount of hyaluronic acid in it, along with the repairing, healing, regenerating benefits of the two B group vitamins, niacinamide and D-panthenol. The D-panthenol also has a really nice healing and repairing function. After your serum, apply the daily moisturizer hydration. It's a nice light cleanser, but it still has really hydrating properties. And then finally during the day, you would want to apply the SPF, an SPF 50. So this is the Ultra Protection Sunscreen Cream, bit of a mouthful, SPF 50. That's the product that's going to help really protect the collagen network in your skin, so you can never forget sunscreen no matter what skin type you have. Then at night, similar, we're going to bring our cleansers in. So we would cleanse with whichever of those cleansers works best for you, and then you can use your A serum. This is a retinol, so it helps to accelerate cell turnover. Again, this is fantastic for a dehydrated skin because it keeps the skin looking bright. And then at night time, we could use the Prejuvenation DNA oil. Because this is an oil, it just can sit on the surface of the skin. Even though it's quite light, you can't really, it doesn't feel greasy, nothing like that, but it does help to prevent transepidermal water loss. There's lots of different types of oils in here, mostly plant extracts, and it's very, very nourishing. So you could do that. If you needed a little bit of extra moisture, of course you can use the Daily Moisturizer Hydration underneath that oil. And then once a week, I would recommend these two products. So we have the Biofermented Triple Action Scrub. This is an exfoliant, good for a dehydrated skin 1 to 2 times a week. There's 3 different alpha hydroxy acids in there that work on slightly different areas of the skin. So mandelic acid to work on the surface, lactic acid to work a little bit lower than that, and then glycolic acid with the lowest molecular structure of those AHAs to work a little deeper in the skin. So all of those acids exfoliating the skin. And something you might not know about alpha hydroxy acids is that they're also quite hydrating. They have that benefit also. There is also some enzymes in this one. It's called papain. This is a fermented papaya extract, and that will just almost digest the dry dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. And then the Instant Rescue Mask. So sometimes when the skin is dehydrated, it can feel a little tight, a little itchy or uncomfortable. This mask is something that will instantly and progressively keep the skin feeling calm and soothed. So I would recommend that.